كان Unfortunately, the security guard came up to me. What the hell? Did that guy try to hit you? We are Lucy and Mark, and this is our van Tubi. After traveling for 4 years in over 30 countries, we came to Morocco for a complete van makeover. Last time we met an amazing family traveling in their unique eco-friendly bus that's completely powered by the sun. A lot of solar. Never seen anything like it. And after a little maintenance, we are ready to take on a new adventure.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high.
Your hair looks fabulous.
You're making a joke, right?
No, it really does look pretty good. I should have woke up quite late today. We did drink a little bit last night.
Yeah. Look at this.
Oh yeah, our new pillowcases.
What happened to my hair?
This is where Lucy scratched her mosquito bite.
Oh, mosquito.
Where? Ooh, zap that sucker. Got it. How satisfied are you?
Feels like I can fly. You can take me high.
Chef Lucy, what's for breakfast?
참치 sandwich.
Not just tuna sandwich though. Gourmet tuna sandwich. Gourmet tuna sandwich. Look at that. We are using this little paring knife because I broke our knife.
그냥 쫄로 나이프 놔두니까 완전 사고뭉치.
Oh, maybe we can buy a new knife in IKEA.
And they can be pickles.
That's what she said.
Is it kind of sexual meanings in there? No, right?
No.
맛있어. 얘 이거 맛있지. 맛있게.
Gourmet.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
What do you think of the diesel price?
나 저거 휘발유 프라이스인 줄 알았지. 41 is 한국 돈으로 2018원이다.
Wow.
달러로 $1.53. Guys, we left the campsite and saying goodbye to the family. And today we are heading to the Casablanca, and then we are gonna do a little bit like quite weird and quite unique camping, right?
Yeah.
Are you ready for that?
Yeah. I'm excited actually. I think it'll be fun.
Okay, we are heading to Casablanca. Yay! 사이밖에 안 보이는데. Oh, we are here. Here, oh, dirty window. 오, 뭐 많네 여기에.
I think what we'll do is we'll park nearby to shop, and then we'll look for a place to park afterwards. Actually, you know what? Let's look right now.
So today we are gonna camp in IKEA. What do you think?
I don't know.
I saw the outdoor food areas, not outdoor, second floor there, the food areas. It's exciting.
Yeah.
I'm gonna eat something. I'm hungry. So today our campsite is IKEA.
IKEA.
So what we are gonna do today here?
We are going to camp at IKEA for 24 hours. It's the 24-hour
Challenge.
IKEA camping challenge.
Yeah. So we are gonna like eat because they have a restaurant in there, and then coffee, all the stuff we are gonna like buy over there.
Yeah, so we basically, our rules are everything we use, we eat, we drink has to come from IKEA.
But do you think we are gonna be kicked out?
I think there's a good chance we'll be kicked out.
Hey. Okay, let's go in then.
Okay.
I'm hungry too.
You like that one, huh?
So we look around the IKEA and then we found some stuff that we needed. We were kind of hungry.
Yeah, we're hungry.
So we are gonna grab some bite. Actually, it would be dinner, right? It could be
Yeah,
our first
early
dinner.
dinner, yeah.
And then like later we are hungry, we can just jump off from the TV and then eat it again here.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go eat. Yeah.
Oh, good on that. Oh. Alright, grab it. There's one.
이건 내가.
We've never tried this kind of beef tagine.
나 이거 약간 다큐멘터리 보면서.
Mohammed told us about it.
Yeah, right.
Put the meat here and beef and put it in the oven.
Oven.
Yeah.
We order this unique 항아리 사진 그리고 이거는 이름을 잘 모르겠습니다. 90 dirham we pay. 잘 먹겠습니다.
Right. Oh, I'm hungry.
배고파. 치킨 들어있는데?
Oh, 그래?
나 완전 감자인 줄 알았는데.
Oh, this beef is not as soft as I was expecting. Okay, so I think we're about done.
No, la. Cereal. It's chocolate.
Oh, those look good.
Ice cream time.
Chicken.
We are gonna enjoy our ice cream, but before we settle down in IKEA parking lot, we need to move our stuff to the front. It's okay, 10 minutes later, me will do. So I'm not gonna worry about it. Near future me will do. 여러분, 저희는 차를 옮기기로 했습니다. 왜냐면 저쪽에 파킹 주차장이 헬기 너무너무 바빠가지고.
It's on a little bit of a hill, but I think this is going to be a good spot right
Yeah,
here.
I think so too. As long as we don't kick out.
Yeah. Let's see.
Maybe see.
Alright, this is our home for tonight.
Yay.
We hope. The IKEA sign.
Oh, yes, this is dumb. Perfect dumb.
Is it the perfect time?
Yeah. Looking at me.
So, what did we get?
What we bought is a cutting board. Our cutting board is quite messy. We bought it like 3. Is it good? I know it's a tiny, but it's perfect size for the tiny house. And this is the curtain. So we're gonna cut it later and then put between the front seat and the back seat. It's good. And then the other one is the organizer for our side compartment. And maybe Mark mentioned this one, he couldn't walk away from this. We don't make the mashed potato, but we do make the
Refried beans.
yeah, that one. So hopefully it will work. The other thing is we got the snack. Mark's favorite kind of chocolate sweet snacks here. And then this is mine.
Oh, you know what? I just realized.
뭔데?
I thought these snacks came on a little stick or something, but actually they look like this.
No, candy, like kind
Oh
of chocolate.
man.
طلعنا الضاكي اللي من الهي ماشي هذا ماشي هذا
وي 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 وي.
اللي من الهي ونعس مع راسك تما كي
Electroplanet.
دي معك هذه وسير تما كي ونعس
Okay, okay.
انتيردي هنا انتيردي
No, no, no.
no.
Okay, okay.
الله
All right. Shukran. Unfortunately, the security guard came up to me.
Mark, what happened?
Okay, so I was just outside. I saw a security guard walking up to me. I tried to avoid him. But finally,
도망갔어?
he cornered me. I think what he said was, if we try to sleep in this parking lot here, they're gonna kick us out. But if we go over to the other side near where the Electroplanet and those shops are, it'll be okay.
맥도 있는 데랑 맥도
Yeah,
해야
yeah,
되는 데랑 거기 괜찮대?
Yeah, and anyways, this parking lot is full of so many people, so many kids playing around, just the random people walking through here. Maybe they just don't feel like it's safe for us to be here. I don't know. But
I think it's good, right? Anyways, like he just worry about our security.
yeah.
I hope I'm believing that way.
Yeah, you seem like a really nice guy.
Yeah, that's the move.
You can just sit back here. I'll try. Okay.
나 여기서 그냥 칠할게. 안 그는 이쯤은 이거는 먹고 있어야지. 와 너무 창문 안 보이는데 아니야?
Yeah, it's really hard to see. Huh? I think this looks pretty good here.
그래?
Near the McDonald's. Okay, guys, IKEA is right over there. There's Tubi. We're still in the same complex, but we are closer to the McDonald's, or McDo as they call it here, than we are to IKEA, but I would say technically we're still in the IKEA parking lot. So the challenge continues. Okay guys, Lucy's been gone for a long time now. So I have an idea where she went. You can see her walking back right now. What the hell? Did that guy try to hit you?
No, he was like doing something around here, but I don't know what he was
He
doing.
came right next to you.
Yeah. Anyways, welcome to Morocco.
Okay guys, we had to deal with those little retards on the motorcycle, but we have a more serious issue. Lucy.
Yeah. I went outside and I was kind of hungry. There's a McDonald's. So
Oh my gosh, look at this.
I cheated. I mean, IKEA is open like until 12. It's fine. I wasn't going to go there and buy some stuff, but they close 9 p.m. It is 10 p.m. I'm kind of getting hungry
We only had one rule.
to eat IKEA. But I mean, I have excuse. Still, we are gonna cling on the IKEA, but they close.
Okay,
They close today.
I have a really important question for you.
근데?
Did you get something for me?
Yeah, same set. Cheeseburger.
Did you really?
Yeah, cheeseburger. And you like the Coca-Cola, so I got that one too.
Okay, then you're forgiven.
Yeah.
Are those retards still out there? Let's see.
And as soon as they saw you and they don't do.
Okay, the retards are gone. Let's eat. Look at these tiny Coca-Colas. Like what's it? Dunkin' Donuts coffee cup. So how much did all of this cost?
50몇 유로야. 50몇
Oh my
유로야.
gosh, the fries are like cold.
햄버거도 약간 좀 탔네.
That's new.
미혼이 나 오토바이 치였잖아.
Yeah.
그러면 나 오버액션 하면서 뉴스에 나왔겠지.
Probably. This is not even full. Amazing.
Guys, so we set up the mosquito net because you know, in Morocco there are so many mosquitoes these days. So without this one, we always wake up middle of the night. So yeah, it's to set up, and right now it's 1 a.m. I think. So we have been here 12 hours, right?
Yeah.
And then 12 hours more to go. And then yeah, we will try to wake up early, but not before the opening hours. IKEA, I think, because we need a coffee as soon as we wake up. Oh, 모기.
Okay. Good night. What's wrong, Lucy?
커피 마셔야 돼. Without the coffee, I'm zombie. 커피를 내놓거라. My mama sucks. I stole it.
Who sucks?
My mama. 엄마가 훔쳤어. This challenge is torturing me right now. Because without coffee in the morning, I'm grumpy. Like Scrooge. 벨벳처럼. 아니가.
Yeah. Did we say why we had to wait?
Because this is IKEA open 10 a.m. 10 a.m. I need a coffee.
IKEA. Entree. It's got some Arabic. And then, there's coffee over there.
뭐밖에 안 줬는데?
I think we don't need a spoon, right?
필요 없을 것 같은데.
Yeah. Okay. Good?
Guys, it's 11:30 a.m. So we have here 1 hour and 30 minutes more. That's it. Then our 24-hour challenge is done. I know I cheated it last night, but
And we have free Wi-Fi here.
yeah, we have free Wi-Fi and we are downloading some stuff too. We finished our challenge, right?
Yep.
Yeah, 24 hours in IKEA.
Well, we still have about 3 minutes.
Yeah, 3 minutes. Yeah, but yeah. So it was good. We tried everything, and it was a nice place to sleep over. And the security guard recommended us where we can park. They kind of kicked out a little bit, but they recommend us better place to stay.
It was in
that
the
was really nice.
same complex, so
Yeah,
that's good.
yeah,
I think we were kind of in the employee parking area.
yeah. Kind of. We don't know. So, anyways, it's good. And if we have a chance later, I want to try this kind of challenge. It was kind of fun.
Yeah, it was fun.
Yeah.
For sure.
But the IKEA morning meal wasn't that great for me, except the croissant. Okay, we are gonna head down to inland today. It's quite hot, right?
Yeah.
The sun is crazy in Morocco as usual. So, anyways, we're gonna head down to inland.
Yay.
Alright, bye bye.
Bye, guys.